Postal codes in Singapore have consisted of 6 digits since 1995, replacing the 4-digit system introduced in 1979. They are administered by Singapore Post. The 6-digit postal code is made up of the sector code and the delivery point. The sector is represented by the first 2 numbers of the postal code. The remaining 4 numbers define the delivery point within the sector. E.g., 56 is the sector code, 9933 is the delivery point, i.e. house or building. For Housing and Development Board residential blocks, the block number is included in the postal code. E.g., HDB residential blocks with the same number in the same postal sector are differentiated by their postal codes as follows. Similarly, for a HDB residential block sharing the same number as another block in the same postal sector but have an added prefix behind are differentiated by their postal codes as follows. The postal codes for private residential, commercial and industrial houses and buildings are assigned based on the alphabetical sequence of the street names in each sector. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.